This is Maneuvering a Catamaran series, and it's part 2. In this one we're going to be doing a Mediterranean mooring from a downwind position and using a slime line. So watch the throttle controls on the video here. And so we're just maneuvering to a position just a little higher up on the wind than your slip position. And then we're just going to back right into the slip. Notice the throttles will give it a little thrust forward just to stop the boat. And then once we're in the slip, attach the dock lines at the aft and then put the engines into forward, and that'll hold the boat off the dock. Then bring on the windward slime line as tight as you can by hand, and then followed by the leeward slime line. All the time keeping the engines in forward. Now once the slime lines are tightened up, put the engines in reverse to further tighten the slime lines, then retighten the aft dock lines.